The Philippines registers 1,150 new cases on Thursday, June 23, the highest in a single day. The country records a total 31,825 cases, with 1,186 deaths and 8,442 recoveries. Experts predict the country will hit 40,000 cases by the end of June if the government is unable to contain the virus's spread. Most of the cases come from Region 7, where new virus epicenter Cebu City is located. Cebu City currently has the highest number of coronavirus cases in the country. A recent University of the Philippines study shows the coronavirus reproduction number in Cebu is almost 2, about double that of Metro Manila's 0.96 after 3 months in lockdown. The same UP study predicts the contagion in Cebu City and province could reach 11,000 cases by June 30 if not contained. President Rodrigo Duterte placed Cebu City on lockdown again on June 16 after a consistent rise in confirmed coronavirus cases. He also assigns Environment Secretary Roy Cimatu as the deputy implementer of the government's coronavirus response in the Visayas. Duterte then blamed Cebuanos for the rising number of cases, repeatedly citing complacency as the reason for the spread of the virus. This is the first time the national government is stepping in to oversee an LGU's COVID-19 response. Prior to this, LGUs were mostly autonomous in their coronavirus response efforts. Cebu City reported 930 new coronavirus cases on its first week back on lockdown. Meantime, global coronavirus infections topped 9 million. The World Health Organization warns the pandemic is accelerating despite Europe starting to ease lockdowns. In France, millions of children return to school. Cases are still rising around the world, especially in Latin America, with Brazil now registering more than 50,000 deaths. In related news, the health department says as long as people wear masks and observe physical distancing, the risk of contracting COVID-19 in air-conditioned vehicles is very low. The discussion on the transmission of COVID-19 resurfaces as groups call on the government to allow traditional open-air jeepneys to operate. The groups say open-air jeepneys are likely even safer than its air-conditioned counterparts.